Need to sort out your team into departments in your security system? Here's how. First, head to the Personnel module. Next up, click on Department. You'll see one there already, that's the default, and you can't delete it, but you can rename it if you want. Select New to create a brand new department. Give your new department a department number and then type in the department name. Hit OK to save it. You can create subdepartments. Just select a parent department. This will be the main department you want the subdepartment to fall under. Let's say ZKTeco SA is our main department. On the side, you can click the little arrow to see all the subdepartments we've created under it. You can even have subdepartments under those subdepartments. And that's all there is to it. Got questions? Drop them in the comments. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tech tips.